any problem with the games? Why do you always, why do you always make new projects? You don't want to stick with anything for a long time. Well, it's because it's my channel, and I've got the attention span of a chicken, and I wanna do different. I'm gonna just get off my back for a second. Why don't you? No, but like so I thought I wanted to make Minecraft I wanted to make Minecraft in Java because I wanted to do that because I never made like a 3D game ish, like any type of like 3D anything before. And I was like, so okay, so I'm gonna try to make a 3D game. What's like the most ambitious 3D game I can shoot for the very first time I ever do it? And I was like, yeah, it's Minecraft. Let's make some fucking Minecraft. So yeah, so I did. So I just wrote all this stuff out, and this is typed a bunch of stuff, and then it made this, and it looks like this. So you see around here. So I mean, so you walk up and you punch a tree, and then you take the tree, and then like that's Minecraft right there. You punch a tree. That's the whole thing. That's the main thing of it. I mean, you can stop it right there, but you know, you go into crafting mode, and you got your logs, and you put your logs in a recipe, and you make them into stuff, and you just make a bunch. You can make stuff into stuff, and and then you put the stuff together. Um, I mean, yeah. So yeah. It's not as clean looking as Minecraft, obviously, but I was really just trying to mimic the functionality. Oops, I fucked up. Wait, no, I didn't. Let's just get some more of these babies. Um, so I know, like for most people, the uh, the the best part of Minecraft is building stuff. But for me, uh, I always felt like the funnest part of Minecraft for me was like the fighting, the zombies and getting to fight stuff. So one of the first things I made sure to implement was crafting weapons, and then they increase your how much attack you can do. And I haven't put any zombies in it um, yet, but it's ready. It's set up. I got a sword of way whack it around. And I was like, this is a really boring world. I wonder what it needs to make it more interesting. Um, Boobies. Yeah, it's boobies. So I just, it's like, if you gotta, if you know, if it's only gonna have one feature, what's like the one feature? If it has no other features, it has this one feature, and that feature will be, and it'll make the game fun. And it's boobies. And you put some boobies in there, and oh boy, you can play that game all day long. Play the game all day long, and look at them boobies. And there's a little radar. So if you get lost in the world, you find your way back to the boobies. The boobies, they show the way. You just follow the boobies, and they'll take you right back home if you get lost. Take you right back home. You got this little radar, points to the boobies. Boobies take you right back home. Take you all the way back home. So I made this tree. It's really cool. Not as cool as the boobies. Let's look at them boobies. But no, okay. So here's it. So so uh, yeah, I don't know. So I can do more with this, or I can not. Like if I get bored and don't want to, then I won't. But if this video gets like a shit ton of views, then I obviously will. But it's about like whatever I want to do, and I just made this for fun. Uh, and I feel like I got the 3D world down, like how to set it up behind the scenes in a way, and then represent it with graphics um, in a way that's like convincing enough to make a world. It looks like that. I call this nerd mode because you can see like what the behind the scenes like what the world actually looks like, and then this is just like how the graphics are. This is just how the graphics are representing what the actual nerd mode looks like, which is pretty cool. I think. I think it's pretty cool. I think I'm pretty cool. Comment down below how cool I am. Tell me about it. Hey, I've been doing YouTube for a long time and nobody's called me gay yet, so I feel like I've missed out on a key part of the experience. So maybe get on that. Where's my gay? Give me the gay, guys. Give me the gay. Uh. So. Yeah. Ooh, no. Let me. Oops. Let me show you this. Let me show you. Yeah, I'm gonna show you this stuff. Uh, when I was messing around, when I was figuring out how to make all this happen, I got some of these fun looking glitches. So the first thing that happened when I was messing around was I accidentally, so the trees, the reason there's like a whole bunch of trees is because the trees are an array, so that I can add more trees just by changing the number of variables in the array for like tree variables, and then it's like now there's 100 tree variables, now there's 100 trees. But when I first did it, I typed it wrong so that um, it was constantly re-establishing all of the tree variables, so that the trees were just constantly zapping around all the time. It looked kind of like that, which is pretty funny, or cool, or weird, or I don't know, something. And then I figured it out, and I changed it. Um, I changed it somewhere so that wait, if tree, oops, tree, yeah. So it would only set a new tree variable if the tree variable is already 0, but if it's not 0, it won't set a new one. So fixed, and then but then it was like real easy because then I got the trees, tree, 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 tree is an array. So if I want to make more trees, I just oops, boops, boops, and then it just I can make more trees really easily. So I played around with that, and I made a bunch of trees, 200 trees, which is how many I have now. But it doesn't look like that in the actual game because they're a lot more spread out. But like that's a lot of trees because I haven't figured out how to make them look right with like foregrounds and backgrounds yet. Um, I decided to make them more spread out so it'll be less like immediately apparent. I'm gonna fix that eventually, or I won't, and there's nothing you can do about it because maybe I won't. But who knows? Uh, and then nerd mode. I experimented with grass for a minute, but I didn't like how it looked because of the foreground background thing. If you have ideas for that, put them in the comments. Um, be like, you're gay, and here's how to do the grass better. Um, what is that? Oh, it's just fewer trees. Yeah, so I didn't like how it looked, but I modeled a little grass, and I put the grass in there, the foreground, background. It wasn't doing it right, so I just put it out, took it out. And I was going to try to put a wooden sword in there, like a little graphic in there, have it have it like, like right here the way it is in Minecraft, and then you click, and then when you click, it would do a little alternate graphic where it's moving and it goes whack. I'll do that. I'll probably do that eventually, or I won't. There's a tree. I made a little tree, a little cute little tree. Look at that little tree. It's a little good little tree. Background and I mean, yeah, that's pretty much this my Minecraft. But I'm making Minecraft in Java. That's the new thing I'm doing now. Or maybe this is the only video. Maybe this is all this. Maybe it's a standalone. Maybe it's making. Maybe I'm gonna make more. Maybe it's Maybelline. Who knows? So watch the video if you haven't already. Maybe you should have. So it's fine. So never mind. So thanks for watching. So bye.